Jesus himself said in Mark 16:16, he that believes and is baptized shall be saved. He that believes not shall be condemned. You tell me how a baby believes. It can't. But an adult can. And an adult has to respond to that gospel. And if you believe in that gospel today, you need to come forward as we sing this song, giving me your hand and God your heart. And God has promised to not leave your soul in hell when you are buried with him by baptism unto death. That just as he was raised up by the glory of the Father, you will rise up too out of that water to walk in newness of life. And that's available to you today. If you are a child of God and fall in guilty distance from God, we encourage you to come as well and allow the saints to pray for you. We love and have a fellowship here that we love one another. We care what happens to the soul of each and every person here. I believe that with all of my heart. We truly then allow us to share in your suffering. Romans 12 tells us that when one weeps, we all weep. When one rejoices, we all rejoice. If you are a guilty distance from God, come home today. If we can at all assist you spiritually, please won't you come as we together stand and sing the song of the Virgin.
No tears in heaven.